Understanding performance outcomes in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase that you might come across in various contexts: performance outcomes. Whether you're in school, at work, or just curious about English language nuances, understanding this term can really enhance your comprehension. So, let's get started. At its core, performance outcomes refers to the results or effects that come from performing a task or activity. It's all about what is achieved after an action is taken. These outcomes can be measured to see how well someone or something has done. Think of it as the score after a game, the grade you get on a test, or the impact a project has on your community. Performance outcomes are crucial because they help us evaluate success and areas for improvement. In education, they can show how well students have learned a subject. In the workplace, they might determine if a project has met its goals. Understanding these outcomes allows us to set future objectives, make informed decisions, and continuously improve. Let's look at some examples to clarify further. In a classroom, a performance outcome could be students' scores on an English test, showing how well they've grasped the language. At work, it might be the completion of a project under budget and ahead of schedule, indicating efficient and effective performance. Improving performance outcomes involves setting clear goals, getting the right training or education, and continuously seeking feedback for improvement. It's a cycle of planning, executing, and reviewing. We hope this explanation of performance outcomes has been helpful and has given you insight into how actions translate into results. Remember, understanding the outcomes of your performance is key to growth and success, no matter the context. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, and keep improving.